Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can open the one-handed keyboard on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, we're going to go into settings. So we're going to open up settings. So tap on settings on the home screen. And in here, you want to go down and tap on general. Next, go down and tap on keyboard. In the keyboard setting page, go down and tap on one-handed keyboard. And in here, you can choose to set it off, left or right, okay? And then now when you open up your text application program or any app that can allow you to input text, like Note, you can see here the keyboard is now open in one-handed mode. So I can type on the keyboard using one hand. I can also close it by tapping on the arrow on the side of the phone. Now you can also open up one-handed keyboard by simply holding onto the globe icon or the emoji icon. So touch and hold. Then in here there is a shortcut at the bottom where you can tap on the one-handed keyboard. So you can have the one-handed keyboard aligned to the left side or to the right side, or you can close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.